Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Roblox not launching in PC. In case Roblox launcher is not working, first you have to check for your internet. Maybe the internet connection is slow, therefore the Roblox is not working. But if the internet is correct, then you have to run it into administration. For that, search for Roblox, do a right click and click on run as administrator, and after that there are chances that the issues will be resolved. But let's say if it is not working, then you have to simply search for installed apps, and after that you will get into a section where all the installed apps are available. There you have to search for Roblox. Once you search for Roblox, you will get its launcher. You have to simply uninstall it. Once you have uninstalled it, then you have to again reinstall it. For that, you can go to the browser, or you can also download it from a Microsoft Store if you're using the Windows. So open a browser and then you have to simply go and search for Roblox download, and after that you will get different links. From there you have to make sure you go to the right one, which is by Roblox itself. Then click on download Windows Player. It will get downloaded. Once it is done, then you have to install it. Installation will just take a while. Once it get installed, you have to simply log in with your account, and then you will see it will launch and you will be able to play any game of your choice. Here you can see the Roblox is back again and working the way it was before. Now you can play any game and you will see there will be no issue. So that's how you can fix if Roblox is not launching. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.